You can see we're going to take this tree down. They're concerned it'll go backwards. It leans back towards the woods, so they're worried about the wires right there. So we're worried about fire, we're worried about electrocution. Bill is a little bit leery on this one.
Gary, what do you say we have a beer and think about it?
Uncle Buzz, what do you think?
Well, I wonder whether that rope ought to be up the road a little bit more.
There you go. Now we're standing at the end of the rope with Davey. I have Davey Tilton here with me. Davey, what are your comments on this endeavor?
I'm just holding the rope. I'm not doing much anything right now.
We have some disagreement as to where the tree will land. Put a line there, Michael. Put a line there.
Whoa.
Jesse, do you think Michael's right or wrong?
As usual. Wrong.
Is it too late to back out now? Oh, Michael's right.
Unbelievable. Michael, where's your line? Michael was right. Perfect. Unbelievable. Buzz?
Me! Hit the beer can right on the nose.
Oh, hey, what do you think?
Would have never without Uncle Brian.
Like a field goal between the uprights, so fell this tree. Because it's a beautiful closing weekend here in October 2006. This place is for fun. And it is not there anymore. Very good.
Uncle Brian told me to do it.